have the AlphaTrack. It's a two solution track that we could use either for a rafter or a deck mount solution. If we're gonna hit a rafter, you're gonna use a standard 5/16 lag. If you're gonna do a deck attachment, you would use our DeckAnchor. The great feature about this deck screw is that it's only a 2 screw requirement, as opposed to everything decking usually is 4 screws. So we're able to kind of like save some time in that. It's a butyl tape solution that the pad has these clip feet here that allows the butyl to stay nice and pressed in there when you kind of get compression with lag. You just kind of remove the tape, drop it into place, and then fasten it down.